Hello, sir. Please, good morning. Let's go.
Okay. All right, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge, Shelby Perkins, please present for here at Zoom. While in court, please place your device on mute until your case is called. No smoking, no eating, no drinking. Please remain seated at all times, no driving. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Mr. Gordon, take your hat off. Please. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews. This is the city of Detroit.
Yes, sir.
Versus Low, case number SP 165-94631. Mr. Lowe, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Tamina Love.
All right, Mr. Lowe, today's date and time again set for a review. You still haven't paid.
Okay, so the thing must not have went through.
Did I told you to come down here today, didn't I?
No.
Now, I did tell you to come down here today.
No, well, yesterday, we haven't had it not to come down
Came in
like
without
in
the
person
shirt.
today.
Came in without the shirt on, didn't you?
Yeah, that was the thing yesterday.
I told you to come in today. All right, now I'm gonna put you out. You get down here. You're defying what the court order I told you to do.
Oh,
and you still have to pay.
I didn't hear the come down in person today. I'm not even.
You did hear. Don't. Let's not go there, Mr. Lowe.
No, I didn't. I actually didn't hear you say that. I just heard you to return
well,
back in the morning.
You hear me now?
I'm not able to get there in person because I'm like out of town on a job.
I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. Mr. Lee, Raymond Lee, are you there? Raymond Lamont Lee?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Raymond Lamont Lee, case number SP 107-7261, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 108-8008, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 128-25821, SP 147-0388, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1739875, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 757653, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19458385 appearance for the record, please.
Sir, with all great due respect, what does that mean?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Raymond Lamont Lee.
Turn your camera on, sir, please.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Well, I'm not gonna even enter a not guilty plea or anything on his behalf because he doesn't even know what calling the cases mean. I need to see. I need to see you, Mr. I need to see you, Mr. Lee.
Okay, I gotta get my daughter to help me. Hold on.
All right.
Maya, the judge said he want to see it. Maya, look, come here. The judge said he want to see me something, and it's something I'm not doing or supposed to do. What? My face is my.
Still not.
There you go, sir. You see me now?
Morning to you. Now, what do you mean? What does that mean, Mr. Lee?
Well, it's for example, when I got pulled over by the police, there were several things that was said. First, they said that I had some sort of probation violation for some cities outside the city of Detroit. Then it says that I had no insurance on the car that I was riding, and then uh, I have three different court dates for different things, and I have understanding what's going on. Then I see this one thing for the 29th, 7/29 Thursday, Zoom. It's and then okay, it was something. Then it was said that I had some sort of outstanding traffic warrant, which I was in prison a little while back. I did a plea by mail. Detroit and the cities dismissed the tickets. After being released from prison, I was in a bad car accident. I went from receiving ICU to the DMC, a resident of DMC, rehabilitation 261 Max Street. Was in a wheelchair after that. So sometime I didn't get out the wheelchair to January 2024. So I'm trying to figure out where these warrants and all these things occurred from.
Okay, so the plea by mail, I don't know if I've seen your name with a plea by mail. And quite frankly, I just don't really accept the plea by mails because I see that those are made.
No, sir, no disrespect. I'm sorry to interrupt. I didn't give you the plea by mail. I was able to submit a plea by mail while I was incarcerated, and the tickets got dismissed. And I was trying to figure out if these tickets say way back before 2015, October the 5th. I was in prison prior to that, and that's when I did a plea by mail, and the tickets got dismissed. Now, why the tickets won't be taken out the computer or whatever, I don't know what's going on. I haven't been in any trouble, sir.
I have tickets dating back to 2020. I don't know when you were in prison. The tickets the tickets that I call into the record are all misdemeanor tickets. I can't say what happened prior to Mr. Berry. I can say that he owes us no insurance, $288 civil infraction. If he pays that, that will give him a clearance here. He indicated to the court that he has other jurisdictions that he has to clear up. So I don't know what those things are, but I know if he paid that 288 out of all of these tickets, he would still have a clearance to get a valid driver's license. I'm gonna recall any warrants. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. So you have tickets going further back than that. You have tickets going back to 2018. So the plea by mail, if I run across a plea by mail, what I do for defendants that come in, I know that those pleas are made out of desperation because a lot of times they want to get out of prison and get the warrants off of them. I'll recall the warrants, but I won't take the plea because it is out of desperation. And if you had a lawyer that you have right now, you can get a better deal. So we're gonna clear this stuff up today if you're willing. Well, try to clear it up today. You're gonna get an updated offer by Mr. Berry. I told you already that $288, if you pay that, you would get clearances down here and get a license. I can't guarantee you get a license because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. But you can speak to Mr. Berry. He can kind of explain what we just discussed a little bit further for you. He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes.
All right, put you in a breakout room, join the room, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, you say $280, $88 as of right now is the fine that I could pay?
You still owe some more civil infractions, so don't quote me in saying that's all you owe. You owe some more civil infractions, but the 288 is what's holding your license up.
Okay.
Down here.
Okay.
Down here. All right. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you, sir.
Well. Ali, Gosh. Are you there?
Yes,
Give me the, good morning to you. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
good morning, Your Honor. My last name Gosen.
Gosen, all right. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ali Gosen, case number SB 172-6670, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Mr. Gosen.
All right, good morning, Ms. Bradfield. Mr. Gosen, state your name for the record, please.
Ali Gosen.
All right, today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gosen, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Pershawn Gordon,
Yes, sir.
morning to you.
Morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pershawn Lassay Gordon, case number SB 107-3387, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 124-24281, SB 1388671, SB 1388946, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1539080, counts 2 and counts 3, SB 1540439, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1540442, counts 1, and U 618-00221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P 72832. On behalf of Mr. Gordon, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Your Honor, was an attorney requested at any point?
No, I don't see. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gordon, go in the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please, and we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, I need Mr. Lee to return to 2.
Mr. Lee, can you return back to that breakout room, please?
I didn't want to interrupt, sir. I was on it. My daughter, she said y'all got to put me back in there.
No, you go down there to the bottom of the screen.
Maya, come in. Listen to the judge, please. Hurry up.
That breakout room should always be open to you.
He said she right here. She can listen how to do it.
Screen and
Okay.
all right. All right, good morning on the Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
DeMar
Marguerite.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Soroki, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing? Yes.
Well.
I'm here for a pretrial right now on Juan Gadson or Gadson.
Yeah, he's here.
Yes, I see him. So if I can have breakout room abilities, and also I had 2 trials up that started at 9 o'clock.
In this court?
Yes, in your courtroom.
And who's the defendants?
David Green and Mark Gatis.
Mark Gatis and David Green.
Yes.
All right, so let me get, I'll get you a call stability. And Gadson, I'm gonna put you in 6. Wait on Mr. Soroki to come see you. Juan Gadson Jr., right?
Yes.
He'll be in breakout room 6. Good morning to you.
Thank you.
And, Mark Gatis here. Good morning on the telephone at 313-699-0039. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Three one three 699-0039.
David Green.
David Green. All right, I think you're looking on. You have trial today. Your attorney is here. I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. He's going to come see you, so just sit tight until he comes and sees you. He'll know you're there, right?
I sure will, sir. Thank you.
And good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
All right.
Insurance.
All right.
I
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gosen. Mr. Gosen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client has valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the case, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. This Bradfield versus DeMar Jamil Gary, case number SP 1718627, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 171866461. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gary. State your full name for the record, sir.
DeMar Jamel Gary.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
You are not guilty, plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The cases that are, they're civil infractions that are not on the docket, I don't have any issue with letting Mr. Gary be heard on those. If the city doesn't have any issue setting defaults aside, there's no plates, a failure to secure a passenger, and a seatbelt ticket. Mr. Gary, Ms. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel. I've placed his contact information in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gordon?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. However, if that appointed attorney does not call you back, I'm going to set a pretrial date. This date is really just set to see if you've had contact with that lawyer. We give that lawyer that time to do anything necessary he or she has to do to assist you in the case. I'm going to set a pretrial date for the 15th of August, 2025 at 8:30. Again, if that lawyer doesn't contact you by then, we will get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, all right?
Okay.
If there's no further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too, sir. Is that August 15th, sir?
August 15th.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Alexander Gray Jr. Case number SP 1035263, counts 1 and count 2 and counts 3. SP 1063092, SB 14373431, SB 11796885, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 13377611, SB 1393060, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1397087, counts 1 and counts 2. 1619801, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1609690, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1726059, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1726060, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1726066, counts 1 and counts 2. 204606040, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Mr. Gray, are you there? Unmute yourself, start your camera, please. Morning.
Okay, hello,
Good morning, please state your name for the record, please.
Alexander Gray.
All right, day is the date and time set for a pretrial. Some of these matters are probably in arraignment status or something of that nature. For purposes of arraignment on the ones that are in arraignment status or warrant status.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond.
Your Honor, I will also ask if counsel had been requested.
No, I don't know that. No, I don't see it. I don't see that.
My name is Stella O'Brien. I have an appointment here at 9 o'clock.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead and break out room, Mr. Gray. Speak to Ms. Harris. Get them an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record, past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Raymond Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date so that he can return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date of August the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Lee. If you don't have anything further, I wish you and the best of luck. Have a very good day, all right?
Yes, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And thank you too, Mr. Berry.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you too.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Justin J. Bond Gay, case number SP 1728645. SP 1728647, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gay.
Justin Gay.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm set for a pre-trial, Mr. Gay. Mr. Berry's gonna help you get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room and then let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. Matter. Good morning, sir. What's your name?
Mario Littleton.
Mario Littleton. Good morning, Ms. Snyder.
Good morning, Your Honor.
On the telephone at 313-457-7678. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Hiram R. Long.
Hiram R. Long.
Apologize this morning, Judge Perkins. I was trying to get the Zoom organized and I don't know how to do it. I think I figured it out, but they had me on the waiting list, so I had to call in to get in there, you know. I apologize.
Apologies necessary. All right, good morning to you.
Hi, how are you? Okay, how are you? Good morning. I'm fine. Can you hear me well? Yes, I hear you well. Good. Yes, I hear you very well.
I think he's got two conversations.
Okay, you faded in and out there. I didn't hear that.
Mr. Green, are you talking to someone else?
Are you talking to me?
I was talking to you. I was wondering who you're talking to.
I don't know if it's the
I
mic
was
or my
talking to
phone.
Mr. Green and I moved him to the courtroom. He's ready for dismissal on his trial.
You gotta be quiet, the phone down. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus David Jerome Green, case numbers SP 1705385, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
David Jerome Green. DAVID JEROME GREEN.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Baker Johnson here?
Your Honor, the officer Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. I have a message from Prosecutor Snyder that the officer appeared and he said to dismiss. He has no recall.
All right, grant the motion to dismiss, no recollection. If there's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right? Green?
Yes.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good day. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you.
All right. Who are we ready on next? You have Gadson in the breakout room, in the room 6, and then.
Yes, I've been talking to Gadson and we're trying to see if we can work out a deal. And I'm also currently working on, let's see here, Gatis. Waiting for him to appear, so I'll send him a text.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, I've given you an opportunity. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial and formal hearing rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation, and that is the plea to the failure to use seatbelt and failure to secure a passenger, and the other matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis on the client's behalf.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. And your client, for that, I'll find your client responsible as charged with the failure to use a seatbelt and the failure to secure a passenger. $120 for failure to secure passenger and $65 for failure to secure yourself. When can you pay?
Probably 2 weeks. I just started back working, like literally.
If you just started back working, I'm gonna give you 30 days.
Okay.
2025, pay it by August 25th, 2025 at
August 20.
any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and good luck on that new job, all right?
All right, appreciate you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Ms. Bradfield, this is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Levert Glover, the third, case number SP 1727968, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Nick Bradfield, on behalf of my client, state your name for the record, please.
Joseph Glover.
All right, good morning again to you, sir. Mr. Glover, Mr. Bradfield is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. What you do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray, Mr. Gary, I've given you an opportunity. I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gray?
Yes, sir.
And I need you to answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're going to get one appointed to you on the spot.
Okay.
Next court date is going to be a pre-trial date on the 15th of August at 8:30. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
Well, Jasmine Lyman.
Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Jasmine Latoya Lyman, case number SP 159-53511, SP 1728330, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1742627, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jasmine Lyman.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lyman.
All right, morning to you, ma'am. The date is the date and time set for a
Pre-trial?
trial, but probably the other matters are in arraignment status, and probably one of the matters is in warrant status. For purposes of arraignment, counsel.
My client stands mute. Respectfully request the court recall warrants, please.
All right, we'll recall any warrants. We'll enter not guilty on your client's behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. There's 1, 2, 3 tickets on the docket, and I counted 7 tickets into the record. So it's 1 is an allowing. The other are 3 newer tickets, license improper, expired plate, and no insurance misdemeanor. Mrs. Lyman, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to confirm that Mr. Gay has a valid license.
And also with Joseph Glover too, Your Honor. And if Glover is valid, we could bring him right out.
One is valid. Mr. Gay is valid. Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, and in that regard, he has shown valid insurance, and he is prepared to enter a plea to the to limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket 6 to 10 over.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Gay?
Yes, Your Honor.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an agri-factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
With that, I'm going to find you responsible, sir, for the amendment count of limited access 1 to 5, $125 and dismiss other matters. When can you pay the $125, Mr. Gay?
Probably tomorrow.
I'll give you till tomorrow to pay it. I'll pay it at any dividend kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, so you said I can go down to 36th District and pay it?
Absolutely.
All right, you have a great one, Your Honor.
You have a better one. This, your client's Glover is valid as well, Ms. Bradfield.
Thank you, Your Honor. We could bring him out. He did show valid proof of registration as well.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Bernard Lyman. SP 1232466 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 130049993. SP 132726601. SP 1365566 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1745521. SP 174755531. SP 1753208 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1753284 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18449032 counts 1, 2, and 3. 18449033 counts 1, counts 2. You're gonna have to go outside, sir. You have to go outside. 19465641. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyman.
All right, it seems like he's gone. All right, let's pass that matter. That goes back to, let me get Stephen Lewis, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't see Stephen Lewis's file. Do you see it? Stephen Lewis, are you there?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Morning to you. What did you have a middle name?
Edward. Stephen Edward Lewis, 11/24/1986.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Edward Lewis, case number SP 1727177, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1727191, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Stephen Edward Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
No problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
To request dismissals of his matter, he provided valid documentation.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning. Dismiss your matter, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. And best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Okwamba, did I get the pronunciation correct?
Oh.
Good morning. Shazabab Okwamba. Okwamba. Give me the first name, sir.
Chizoba.
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 All right, Chizoba Okwamba. All right,
right.
good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Chizoba Okwamba. Case number SP 174-11771, SP 174-12031. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephanie Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Okwamba. State your full name for the record, sir.
Name is Chizoba C. Okwamba.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Okwamba an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. That's Ms. Bradfield, I'm sorry. Ms. Bradfield, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Okwamba. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyman. Ms. Lyman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date, and we're also asking if the court could possibly tell us if there's anything that might be preventing her, or if there are any reinstatement fees that need to be paid upfront, if possible.
I don't see anything here that's affecting your license, Ms. Lyman. I'll give you a trial date on August the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Jeremy Lundy. Jeremy Lundy. Is he here? Or is that James Lundy? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go to Brandon Grace.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You have a middle name, sir?
Mark.
You're not scheduled to be here until, you're not scheduled to be here until the 31st. You have a 15th date that missed on some civil infractions. He owes $336 on an old no insurance proof. That was last year. He got that. I wouldn't have an issue. What I'll do for you is I will. Where are you?
I'm here.
Now you have to turn your camera on. I gotta see who I'm talking to. We'll pass that. He's not supposed to be here till the 31st.
Oh, on it.
All right. Rashad Lofton. Rashad Lofton.
How you doing today, sir?
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Rashad Lofton, case number SP 1718930, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lofton, please state your name.
Rashad Lofton.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for
Show cause for purposes of arraignment. My client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lofton does owe for an old limited access ticket $125 that he never paid. Mr. Lofton, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Your Honor, if it's possible for me to get a copy of Mr. Okwamba's ticket as well as to check his license, please. Thank you.
All right, Gadson. Jamal, are you ready on Gadson, Mr. Soroka?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Leos Gadson. Case number SP 1716426, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Juan Gadson Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Please.
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution's matter as the open alcohol driver ticket. That ticket will be reduced to open alcohol passenger with a 6-month delayed sentence. My client will plead guilty to that. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Well, it's only 1 ticket here, so it's missed no insurance or alcohol. You want to raise your right hand, please?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Shaloki went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 26th, 2025 at around 1:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit and in the area of Shane and Antietam. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what did you have?
I had a small clear cup of wine, not even halfway, just like a little bottom bit of it left in the car. And I also had some trash of like 2 cans in the back seat that was already used in the trash bag. And I had 2 bottles that I just bought sitting on the seat.
But one of the bottles, at least one of the bottles, or in the cup, there was wine and it was open, right?
The cup, that was in the cup. That was the cup.
I've got to find you guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, $250. When can you pay it, sir?
I can pay that as early as I get paid 2 weeks. Just started my other job. August 1st, is that okay?
You just started another job. I was going to give you some more time, but if you want to do it August 1st, you can.
Well, it doesn't matter. I just wanted to get it done and over with.
All right, August 1st. Pay it August 1st. $240. Pay it at any bid back kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the bid that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I just want to make sure you got me checked in. I've got another courtroom to be in.
Yes, I haven't checked in.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Jeremy Lundy here. Who's on the Samsung device? I just let you in the room. I'm asking you to unmute yourself and start your camera.
Okay.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Michael Long.
Michael Long. Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's get down to Chevelle O'Brien.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. City of Mr. Chevelle Tracy O'Brien.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Chevelle Tracy O'Brien. Case number SP 1717096, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1718467, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 171847111. SP 172888911. We'll call the state of Michigan versus Chevelle Tracy O'Brien, case number SX 453092441. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello?
Is that Ms. Bradfield? No, not Ms. Bradfield. Ms. Bradfield, your client does have a valid driver's license.
Okay, and I still need a copy of his ticket. Let me see if it was sent. Okay, still waiting on the ticket.
Let me pass it. I got a little ahead of myself, Ms. O'Brien. Let me pass it. Hold on a second. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all of these matters are to be dismissed. He has shown valid documents, and the remaining matter to be dismissed.
Case is dismissed. Mr. Lewis, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Ms. O'Brien. Mr. Berry, can you put your appearance on for Ms. O'Brien, please?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. O'Brien.
Chevelle Tracy O'Brien.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases into the record. There were only 2 cases on the docket. Mr. Berry, you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Expired plate. Disregarding the traffic, control device or signal. Expired plate. I think this may be cell phone use. Expired plate and a seatbelt matter. Ms. O'Brien, Mrs. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lofton. Mr. Lofton, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client has that valid documentation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismiss the case, Mr. Lawson, for providing valid docs. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Peace.
Yeah. Jocelyn's iPhone.
Yeah.
Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
It is Jocelyn Azucena Munoz.
You said, give me that one more time.
Jocelyn Azucena Munoz. Munoz.
Azucena Munoz. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jocelyn Azucena Munoz, case number SB 171784441. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jocelyn Azucena Munoz.
Then date time set show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request any warrants be recalled.
For in or not guilty plea, your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. Munoz, I'm going to put you in a breakout. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Give me the correct pronunciation. Okwamba. Ms. Bradfield. Ms. Bradfield.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get what you needed? A copy of the ticket and stuff?
Not yet.
License is valid.
I'm waiting on a copy of the ticket.
All right. All right, somebody, let's get the people that walked in, let's get them on Zoom if we can. Did we get a name off? Excuse me. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe. I don't believe two things. I don't believe you didn't know that I told you to come. You acknowledge that. We can bring back the tape and I can show you your acknowledgement on that. I recall that distinctly. I told you to come in this morning. You said you want me to come in the morning? Yes, I'll be down in the morning. And the second thing, I don't believe that you are out of town. I don't believe it. You come up, you lied to me already about not having a shirt on when you came into court yesterday. I think you're lying to me now when you say that you didn't know. I told you to come in person tomorrow morning, and I think you're lying to me about being out of town.
Your Honor, I honestly didn't hear you say come in person. The in person part I didn't hear.
We're not gonna keep going back over that because I don't believe you.
Okay, I can show you. I'm in my hotel room right now. I can show you that I'm out of town.
I do not care where you are.
Okay. What? Yeah, I'm currently in Toronto because I'm out of town on a tour. Because I'm like in the middle of. I'm out on a job right now.
Well, you're gonna have to. When did you go to Toronto?
I flew into Toronto after we got off of court. After we got off the Zoom this morning, yesterday morning. Because my flight was yesterday after court.
Yeah, and you didn't say that. You said you were coming in tomorrow morning. Miss Williams Law, do you have the transcript? Can we look that transcript back up for tomorrow morning? I mean, yesterday with Mr. Lowe.
Yes, Judge.
He also told me that he paid his fines and costs and he took care of that, and that hasn't been paid. You're just a liar.
Oh, I sat down with my grandmother. I thought we took care of this. It must not have went through.
You're just a liar, sir. No, I don't need you to be any comment, any editorial, Mr. Law. Yeah, you just continue to lie to me. Let's pass the matter.
Judge, would you like for me to try to, we can go off?
Yeah, you don't have to do it right now. He's gonna wait.
Okay.
And we'll get it, and then we'll see exactly what he said yesterday. Anybody ready? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Munoz. I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel. I'm typing her information now for the court.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for August 15, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. That date is set for you to make sure that appointed attorney has gotten in contact with you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not get in contact with you by the next court date, then we will get one appointed to you for you on the spot, okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. That's August the 15th, 2025 at 8:30.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Lundy.
How you doing, Your Honor?
All right, how are you?
I'm
good. Morning,
good morning to you as well.
All right, where's his file? Oh, here it is. Let's go back. Let's call it again. See, let's run. Where is Luddy's file? Jerome. Is that Jerome? Are you due today? Are you supposed to be here today?
No.
Oh, so we'll wait. Glover, what brings you here?
You had told me to come back on this date.
So you're supposed to be here. I don't understand why you say you're not then.
Yeah, on Zoom.
Right.
I apologize.
City of Detroit versus Bruce Dean Glover. Case numbers SP 103-97571, SP 111-6921, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 122-9761, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-1658, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-16601. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Bruce Glover.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We're in a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. All right, Mr. I counted 8 on the docket. I counted 11. I counted 11 here, so I think I see what's going on. So expired plates, no insurance proof, and a seatbelt ticket. Add those to the offer. Those are in default. They haven't had any
Your Honor.
pause. Just let me finish.
Okay.
They haven't had any fees attached to them, no reinstatement fee attached to those tickets. So I don't have a problem with setting those defaults aside and allowing them to be heard on those. Go ahead and say what you want to say, Mr. Glover.
I previously had a court date with you on June 10th and you rescheduled it. I never got my tickets for the new court date, but when it did come, it came July 3rd, but it was late. That was my court date, so my tickets went in default, but I had my license, registration, the new tags, and everything.
All right, go in the breakout room, Mr. Glover, speak with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, could we check the status of his license?
You want to run his license? All right, join the room, Mr. Glover. She's gonna come in there and speak with you.
Thank you.
Is that James Lundy? Or Jeremy?
Jeremy.
Yeah, I have a Jeremy Cardell. Okay. Do you know James? Let's go back on the record. Did you get Miss Bradfield, did you get the copy of the ticket? Oh, it hasn't come yet. Let's go back on the record with Miss O'Brien. Miss O'Brien and Miss Harris. Is Miss Harris in the room? He's valid. Let's go back on the record with Miss O'Brien. Miss O'Brien, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the cell phone use, as well as the seatbelt matter as charged. The remaining matters to be dismissed. She has provided valid documents in terms of insurance.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count. As charged, the cell phone violation, $125, and the seatbelt violation, $105. Dismissing the other matters. When can you pay, ma'am?
I can pay one of them just for clarity. Cell phone is 105, no 125.
Cell phone is 125 and the seatbelt is 105.
Okay, I can pay the seatbelt on the 29th, and then 2 weeks after that, I can pay the cell phone, sir.
So you're saying by the 12th, I'll give you till August the 15th to take care of all of it. You paid it any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Counsel. Have a good day.
What happened to Lundy, Jerome? Printed it out. Got Lundy here. He's got one case and he's on the case for tomorrow for other cases. He's on for today? Yes, on one case right above James Lundy. City of Detroit versus Jeremy Luddy, case number SP 126-41961, SP 126-47211, SP 1517504, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1731358, counts 1 and counts 2, 17367609 18450241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Jeremy Louie.
Louie, I'm sorry. You just kept me up, letting me make you mess up your name.
That's all right.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Louie. Today is making time to call for a show cause on this one matter. And probably won't, no, it's review. Set for a review. Go left of center. I don't know why it's set for review. Let's see. It's gotta be. Yeah, it's just said that this drove on right half of road way violation, drove left of center. All right. So here's the deal, Mr. Berry. You want a pen? You got a pen?
I
Hello.
do. I have a pen, Your Honor. I'm ready.
All right, so Mr. Louie has,
Call my name.
no, not yet, Ms. Laws, you keep missing. All right, I muted you. Mr. Louie has, owes a lot of old tickets, one in particular, the $336 no insurance proof, another $288 no insurance proof. Those two are affecting his ability to get clearances here. He owes other civil infractions of speeding tickets, no registration, disregarding traffic control device, improper return signal, registration, failure to secure passenger. Give Mr. All right, so the ones we call into the record, Mr. Berry, are the driving license suspended, proper plate, driving license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, left of center, civil infraction, driving license suspended, driving license suspended, and a no loss. Those are, the last two are 17 and 18 cases. Give Mr. Louie an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, not this Louie, James Louie. I mean, Jeremy Louie.
Okay.
Get them out, breakout room, get them an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Most of this stuff is up tomorrow. Join the room, please, let's pass the matter. Mrs. Soroki, do you have anyone else?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have someone else?
Yes, I'm waiting for Mark Gatis. He was a previous KPS, and now he's a second KPS on this case.
Mark
So I guess.
Abdon, Ms. Medina, good morning to you. Abdon Gomez Artuno, does he need an interpreter?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, he does, and we are ready to go on that matter.
All right, we need an interpreter for Abdon Gomez.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be on standby.
Okay, this is from Louie, and I'm gonna pull it up. All right. Guys, nice for the interpreter.
He's at a trial. I'll bring it up. Gomez or Artuno.
That's fine.
All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer, so.
Okay. So it's gonna take a minute, we got two people that are.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I believe the court was checking the status of his license.
He has a valid driver's license.
And Your Honor, he also was able to present valid insurance and registration. He also presented a receipt where he had to come and make a payment for no proof of insurance. All of that being said, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
Hey, good morning, Jerry.
These are.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss those cases for providing valid documentation. You still owe the court money in regards to some old stuff you didn't pay, sir. You can go on the website and check that out. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Nicholas Lee Nathan. Free to leave, Mr. Glover, be safe.
Set for pretrial.
City of Detroit. Nathan, case number SP 163-82341, SP 172-33761, SP 172-34041. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee Nathan, please state your name for the record. Please state your name again.
We can't hear you.
Is that better?
That is. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
For purposes of arraignment, oh, sorry.
State your name for the record, please.
Nicholas Lee Nathan.
All right.
For purposes, okay.
Behalf, I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Nathan has a 16 to 20 over, and I don't have any issue with him being heard on that. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, offer, Mr. Nathan, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
I have some people in the hall that are trial dates. You said your client is who, Mr. Shiroki? Mark Gatis.
My client is Mark Gatis. He's not present. If you like, you can call a capias at this time and release the officer.
Alberto. Good morning. What is your name, sir? Unmute yourself.
Alberto López.
¿Cómo te llama usted?
Alberto López.
Alberto López. Alberto López. What's your name? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Louie. Mr. Louie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer to have him enter a plea to failure to display for the no license charge and improper plates with a no insurance charge, or one of them, and dismissal of the remaining matters.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did he not? Did he go over all your other rights in the breakout room, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about them?
No, Your Honor.
You know about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Was this on this, January the 2nd, 2024 at around 6:28 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Chicago, did you get pulled over by the police on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your 2013 Ford you were driving?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, well.
That's all right, we'll find another one. Were you operating that Ford on that date and time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
License was suspended.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of of failure to display. $240 will be the fine. Mr. Louie, did you own a 2007 Chevrolet, the blue in color?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 19th, 2021 at around 8:32 PM, 8:23 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joy Road and Memorial. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Was there something wrong with the plates on that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was wrong with them, sir?
Improper plates.
And how were they improper?
Wrong plates.
For the car?
Yep. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Find them guilty as charged. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna cut you a little break, sir. I'm only gonna fine you for one of them. You owe a whole lot of money here. $240 is gonna be the fine. I'm gonna either have you pay it by August the 25th, or get you a payment plan by that time.
Okay, Your Honor.
So get into a payment plan or pay it. Then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that after your phone. or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Officer Landowski,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning. I don't see you have a case here. Who's your defendant?
It was Gomez Ortuno. Abden.
Okay. Go, we're
Abden
waiting on
Gomez
the,
Ortuno.
we're waiting on the interpreter.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's Mario Littleton. He's out in the hallway, isn't he? Can you come on? Can you get on Zoom?
I think he says phone.
All right, bring him on in. Good morning to you, sir. Step up to that microphone for me, please. Right there. City of Detroit versus Mario Littleton, case number SB 101-10221, SB 125-5136, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 126-0418, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 130-4574, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 130-7706-3, SB 151-93211, SB 163-70881, SB 172-0450, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Littleton.
Mario Littleton.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Littleton an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Littleton, if you don't like the offer, you're gonna have an absolute right to a trial. With the phone that's making all that noise, can you get back on it?
Yes.
All right, dial in and Mr. Berry can speak with you. He's gonna get you an updated offer. And then if you don't like the offer, we'll set a trial date, all right?
All right.
You know how to do it?
No.
You go, thank you. All right, we'll get you a break. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Miss Bradfield, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Okwamba.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Okwamba, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, as to ticket ending in 031, we move to dismiss for valid documentation. And as the ticket 771, this recommendation is to dismiss for prosecutor's discretion.
All right. Cases are going to be dismissed, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. All right, is Mr. Harum Long here? He was on the phone. Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Please, *6 to unmute yourself.
Okay,
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, Hiram.
Yes, I am. Hiram R. Long.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Hiram R. Long, case number SB 1729713, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1731380, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1750610, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SB 1751051, appearance for the record, please.
Nick Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Long. State your full name for the record, sir.
Hiram Richard Long.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. These other matters would be under a show clause or arraignment, I think, arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
We stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
So you're not guilty, put on his behalf, we'll give him a $0 bond. You got your ink pen ready, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
Commercial vehicle, no ops. No insurance misdemeanor. Failure to signal at a stop sign. Failure to, I guess I don't know what that is. Seatbelt ticket. No insurance, no proof. Defective brake lights. And drove while license suspended. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases into the record. There were 3 on the docket. I do not have tickets for the other 2 sets of stops, but you can get your client an updated offer. You keep in mind, Mr. Long, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Do you have ticket number 7131 in the courtroom?
Yes.
Can you read that charge out for me, please?
7131, failed to stop upon request. That's what that was. No
Okay.
insurance and the drove while license suspended. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter, Mr. Long, put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's in there. Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone?
No, Your Honor, I'm still looking for Mr. Littleton.
Oh, Littleton, wait, oh, here he is. All right, join the room. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Nathan. Mr. Lee Nathan, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're asking if the court could confirm the status of his license, please.
License is valid.
I'm sorry, my connection went out for the Wi-Fi.
License is valid, Ms. Harris.
Thank you, Your Honor. There is a recommendation my client wishes to accept. He would admit responsibility to limited access 6 to 10 over. Obviously, with the remaining matters, the license matters being dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10 and dismiss the other matters. I'll waive the warrant fee. $35 is the fee. When can you pay?
Is it a possibility I can come to 36th District and set up a payment plan?
When are you going to do that?
I can do today is Wednesday, so I can come tomorrow morning.
Now, today is Thursday, to Friday morning, you're gonna come tomorrow morning?
Yes, sir.
Mark the file tomorrow morning. 7/25/2025. If there's nothing further, Mr. Nathan, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Montez. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's your full name, please?
Montez Lee.
Supposed to be in 336 today.
Excuse me?
Supposed to be in 336 today.
336.
This is the City of Detroit versus Montez Lee, case number SP 1221660. Counsel one and counsel two, adherence to the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Montez Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request any warrants be recalled.
I'm not guilty pleas, we have give him a $0 bond. He owes a handful of civil infractions. But he's got, this is a driving license suspended and no insurance, misdemeanor. There's nothing on here that I see is affecting his license. I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lee, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join the room, please, as fast as not. You don't have to stick around any longer, Mr. Soroki. You're free to leave. Any officer that's here on, Gatis is not one of the persons in the, hold on, let me make sure Gatis is not one of the persons in the room, in the outside.
Okay, I'll wait for a minute, Your Honor. That's fine.
Gatis one of the persons that's outside?
I think it's, maybe Littleton. And it was a Kennedy,
London,
yes.
that's the only two?
That's
There was
the only
three
one.
people.
That's the only one, the two that I'm aware of.
Okay, it was three people that different.
If she don't come in a minute, I'll check. But I know it was somebody,
Yeah,
the phone kept going off.
And that was Littleton.
But that was Littleton, oh, okay.
All right, Ms. Laws, let me see what Ms. Laws, she keeps on missing days. Ms. Laws,
Yes, sir. How you doing?
on your camera on, how are you?
Hi,
All right, you keep missing dates, Ms. Laws.
I'm sorry.
You missed your trial date on the 10th.
I came at, I think it was like the last minute because the lady had she let me in the courtroom and she said it was late and she had rescheduled it for today.
Nobody rescheduled it.
You said she didn't reschedule it.
The warrant out for your arrest.
Man, she told me like I could schedule your bench trial. I think she said bench trial or warrant date for today. But she did tell me because I came late, she was gonna put it like in warrant status.
Just the two. Okay,
London and.
London, he wanna know if he can reschedule.
For what?
Kenneth London.
Why does he want to reschedule?
He's why he gotta go. His stomach hurting. And his phone broke, so he said he can't get on Zoom.
See how many times.
Excuse me.
Who are we ready on? Hold on. I just have to make you come in, Ms. Laws. Miss London?
Yes.
Keith London?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get you in a second, all right?
Okay.
You can stay in here.
You have to see, make sure your phone on your.
I thought you didn't have a phone.
No.
It's correct.
She was just trying to help me. If I can show it to you, it's my screen's all messed
All right,
up.
can you get on, you can't join online?
She was just trying to help me. I don't think I can join, but I just was.
Can you dial the numbers? Can you dial the numbers on there?
Can you look at this, come here.
It's all connected.
Said you did something while I'm sitting out there now. It says, you can see it. It says join.
Hang up, Mr. Lewis. You can hang up, Mr. Lewis. Hang up. Are you ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Hang up, Mr. Lewis. All right, let's go back on the record. Just hang it up. I'll put them out. I'll put it out. Come on up here, step up, let him step up. Step up to the mic, Mr. Lewis. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mario Littleton. Mr. Littleton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to enter pleas to 4 matters. He would enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license suspended, repeat offender. He would enter a plea to improper plates, 2 counts of improper plates for the no insurance charges, and plead finally to no registration, that matter ending in 4183. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Mr. Littleton, you have money on you today?
Yes, I have a little money.
How much?
About 300. They told me I want to get on the driving, improvement. So she told me to bring like 10. I owe like 3,000. So she said bring like a 10. So I bring like 300.
Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I think I have 1 in Warren, if I'm not mistaken.
If you pay $328, $288, and $288, those will get you clearances down here. 904.
904.
You get clearances, and then you go take care of, Warren. I'll give you some time to come back for a valid driver's license.
Okay.
Because you're signing up to pay. The one was a civil infraction, Mr. Berry.
Well, it's registration, insurance, and
What was that last one?
no registration.
So for one civil infraction and 3 misdemeanors, you're signing up already to pay $810, and then you still gonna have to pay the other 904.
Okay. Just go pay the
904,
okay.
and then go to Warren, whatever's affecting your license and Warren. What was it set for today? Show cause, Mr. Berry?
Pre-trial, Your Honor.
Pre-trial? Give him those 3, please. I'll give you some time. Let's set a trial date on the 18th, so you don't have much. What's today?
24th.
24. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.5 weeks to get it to Warren. And then pay that 904. You pay the 904, the clearances are gonna go through immediately.
Okay.
I don't know if Warren's stopping you from getting a license or not, are they?
I don't think so.
Well,
I think
you-
the clearances, the 3 clearances you just told me about.
They're stopping you from getting a license. Pay the 904, you should be able to go to the Secretary of State, get a license. If you can't get a license, ask them for a printout. They'll give you a license, they'll give you a printout, everything that's affecting your license. Those should go through immediately when you go down to the window and pay that stuff.
Okay.
He's got 904. No,
Close to it, if not.
you got it. All right?
All
Come
right.
back on the 18th of August at 9 AM. You don't have to come back and come on Zoom too. I
Okay.
hope you get a valid license. Best of luck to you.
All right. Can you write that down for me?
What?
I want to write that down, the 18th August.
Huh? All right, law.
Yes.
Truro Law. He's a frequent flyer as well. He's in here all the time.
I'll give him the income notice. Oh.
Aren't you, Mr. Law?
I'm here, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Truro Law, case number SP 1212887, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1228513, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 126579992. SP 1411322, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1426583. SP 1468485, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1485055, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1584166, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1603250, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 161366702, SP 1619992, counts 1. SP 1630795, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Law.
Hero Law.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
said I was gonna lock you up if you came back with some new tickets, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Thank you. To let Mr. let Mr. Lowe know, I got a pretty good memory still. All right, he's got, get him an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, he has not to right to a trial. I've given Mr. Law opportunity after opportunity to get this together, and he's not taking advantage of any of it. So let's get it closed out. But get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Law. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Join the room, please. Who are we ready on?
Your Honor, we are ready on Mr. Long.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to request court-appointed attorney on his behalf.
All right, is this the best phone number to reach you at? 313-457-7678?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for 8/15/2025 at 8:30. That date is set to see if that a court-appointed attorney reaches you. I need you to answer the call. If you don't recognize one of those calls, should be that a court-appointed attorney. If that court-appointed attorney does not contact you by that time, then we'll get you we'll get you one appointed on the spot, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. And everybody on Mark Gatis, they're free to leave. Mark
Thank you. Have a good day.
Officers, you be safe, Mr. Shiroki. Everybody's free to leave. Mark Gatis did not show. This is the city of Detroit versus Pete Getter, case number SP 1239556, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1251794, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1356691. SP 9300441. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record.
Unmute yourself, Pete Getter.
Could be Jeter.
Jeter.
Hello?
Mr. Jeter,
Yeah.
you gotta put another shirt on, sir.
Okay.
All right,
Can you give me a
state your
second?
name for the record. State your name for the record. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Bradfield, we'll get him an updated offer. I'm gonna give him some time to put another shirt on. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. Pass the matter. All right, are we ready, Miss? Harris,
Ready.
our no,
Ready.
Mr. Lee, let's go back on the record with Mr. Montez Lee. Giving you
Your
an
Honor,
opportunity. Go ahead.
we're respectfully requesting a trial date.
Trial date is gonna be August 18th, 2025 at 9 AM, Mr. Lee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is Michael Long.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is your middle name, sir? Good morning to you.
Tyrese.
Tyrese. I need you to turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Michael Tyrese Long, case number 1746674, counsel 1 and counsel 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Long, please state your name for the record.
Michael Long. Michael Tyrese Long.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Long, go speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Long an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room and we'll pass them out. On the Motorola Moto G, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. Oh, Moto G, I just let you in the room, state your name. That's you? Which number are you on?
I couldn't see, I don't, what is it doing? My screen is so messed up, sir.
Oh, there you are. That's on the Motorola. Okay, good. Unmute. Go ahead, step out in the hallway. Make sure he's unmuted.
Make sure it's on what?
It's unmuted. I'm sending him the prompt. Unmuted. Take him out in the hallway.
So just sit here.
Yeah.
Sign an advice of rights.
Yes.
You did sign an advice of rights?
Yes.
Yes, you did.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, good. All right, do you know how to mute yourself? Do you know how to unmute yourself if I mute you?
No, sir, I tell the truth, I don't know how to mute it.
All right, just sit tight.
Yes.
Frank Bible is Spanish interpreter.
Gomez or Tuno,
Gomez.
and then, Lopez. Sure.
You said a person, you said Judge Lopez.
Let's go back on the record with Long. Mrs. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Is this for Michael Long?
Michael Long.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir. Per city attorney. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, Mr. Long. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus, he might have to help him, versus Keith Lavaro London, case number SP 172-87391, SP 172-87431, SP 172-8756, counsel 1, counsel 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of defendant London, please state your name for the record.
He said they're helping him out with his device.
London.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. He has some civil infraction on Ms. Harris. But this is, these other matters are in warrant status. I'm not picking up the matters. What's your date of birth, Mr. London?
06/22/1963.
There's another London.
That's probably, I got two sons.
Your Honor, I think when you called the case, you said Keith London. Is this Kenneth or is this?
Kenneth London, I'm sorry. He has two other civil infractions that go back to February of this year. I would not have any issue with setting them aside and allowing him to pay the reinstatement fee up front on the no insurance proof, and then allowing them to be heard on the no insurance proof and the equipment violation, case number SP 1659478, counts 1 and counts 2. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. Did you bring $45 with you?
Yes, I did.
All right, get him in a breakout room and explain things to him, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. London, you're going to see a prompt join the room, and hit join. Can you help me get wait a minute, he got it. All right, Mr. Bopple, good morning to you. Mr. Bopple?
Yes,
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
my name is Frank Poppel.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
All right, very well. Ms. Medina, are you ready?
¿Se Medina está listo?
Okay, let me find out the other gentleman, he must have left.
El otro señor parece que salió.
Oh. We're gonna wait on the attorney, Mr. Buffer. Give me a minute, please.
Vamos a esperar al abogado. Un momento, por favor.
Are we ready on Jeter, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
May have to go get him out.
Okay.
This is a plea. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jeter. Mr. Jeter, that's a better white shirt there. He went and got his best. He went and got his best on. Yeah. All right. Today's date and time set for a that's one of his white party shirts. That's what he wears that for. You don't go to a white party in a tank top, Miss Bradfield. All right. Is there a resolution?
Your Honor, Mr. Jeter took care of a matter today that will be able to clear him for his license. So we're asking for an adjournment for him to be able to produce one at next court date.
April. Let's set a trial date.
Okay, Your Honor.
Trial on August the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Jeter, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right? I don't hear you. I'll see you at the white party.
Thank you, sir.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, bye-bye.
Is Green there? Orlando Green?
Yes, Carlando Green is here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What brings you here?
I received a notice at my father's home in regards to court.
Case number?
I'm not exactly sure.
I don't have anything in your name. Let me try. Let me try without the E.
Yeah, without the E.
There it is. City of Detroit, Ms. Bradfield, case number versus Orlando Green, case number SP 123-90491, SP 146-3544, counts 1 and counts 2. B 124-15122, B 124-15222, B 124-15322, B 124-15422, B 124-15522, B 124-15622, B 124-15722. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Green. State your name for the record, sir.
Orlando Green.
Is he on the docket sheet, Your Honor?
It was probably not for these cases. It's show cause, he's supposed to be in 336, but he's still got a lot of other cases here. Let's see. All of them supposed to be in 336 this morning.
I apologize, Your Honor. I see I missed your prompts.
Okay, I'm on the record now, Ms. Medina, please. This is, you have an ink pen, Ms. Bradfield,
Yes, Your Honor.
driver license suspended, unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor. Animal cruelty, 2 counts. Dog license, 2 counts. Failure to vaccinate, 2 counts. And a dog restraint, 1 count. There's 10 cases I call into the record. Get Mr. Green updated offer. I'll enter not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 fine. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Green, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Harris, are we ready on London?
We're ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. London. Mr. London, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he is appreciative of the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees up front and would like to do so and would like to have his matter set for trial and formal hearing.
Trial is the 18th of August, Mr. London, at 9 a.m. We're gonna make sure it gets in the system before you go downstairs, so you can step back in, turn your phone off and step back in, and we'll let you know when to go pay that reinstatement fee, all right? All right, let's pass the matter. That'll conclude the matter, August 18th at 9 a.m. Ms. Lawson, are you there? Ms. Lawson.
What the fuck?
Stop the language, ma'am. Good morning to you. City of Detroit. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Megan Lawson.
Megan Lawson. This is the City of Detroit, and good morning to you. City of Detroit, Megan Lawson, case number SP 1271616. Count 1 and count 3. SP 1366675, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1669331. SP 1402434, count 1. SP 1563156, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1664271, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1670241. SP 1670923. SP 1682232. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1685584. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1745369. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 36707, counts 1, 2, and 3. 14453140, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lawson, please state your name for the record.
Megan Lawson.
Set for Ms. Harris.
Pre-trial?
Breakout room. Keep in mind, Ms. Lawson, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, please. pass the matter. All right, Mr. Barry, what's Mr. Law gonna do?
Enter a plea, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Law. Mr. Law, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 9 of the 25 counts, and they are as follows. He'd enter a plea to 3 counts of improper plates for the no insurance charges, 3 counts of allowing for the license tickets, and 1 count of failure to display, and 2 counts of no registration.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? You understand that, Mr. Law?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 4th, 2024, at around 1:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Outer Drive and Robeson. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid registration and license.
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
At the time, I did not have it. I did not have any.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered title and allowing for the license improper. We draw your attention back to September 9th, 2024, at around 5 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Ewald Circle and Schoolcraft. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in front of the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir. I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license on that occasion?
Yes, he did.
Couldn't do that either at that time, could you?
No, I did not. I didn't have a license at that time.
I find you guilty of allowing let me turn your attention back to July 17th, 2024, around 6:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, out of Drive in Stansbury. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, sir.
You operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance.
Yes, he did, and I couldn't because I did not have any at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowance improper plate for the no registration improper plate for the no insurance. And, let's see, fine, let's draw your attention back to August 30th, 2024, around 10:21 p.m. in the Cedar Strait in the area of McNichols and Prevost. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit?
Yes, sir.
And you were operating vehicle?
London.
Yes, I was.
And you could not, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did, and I didn't because I didn't have any at the time.
All right. And, stipulate to the face of the tickets on the no registration tickets.
So stipulated. So stipulated, Your Honor.
Calls for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
And
All right, as far as sentencing is concerned, Mr. Law, you're how old?
I'm 22 now, sir.
You're 22.
Yes, sir.
You had already this much contact with the police.
Unfortunately, yes, sir.
You have a high school diploma?
Yes, I do, sir.
What high school did you graduate from?
My virtual academy, online classes.
Sound like a pretty smart young man. I don't know what's gonna take you to get to you to start at least doing right by your driving at least.
I want a clean slate. I want to pay off all my tickets and go ahead and get my license. I just money have been tight for me, so it's taking me longer than it was expected to license and go get them. Cause I owe money from another district as well, so I'm trying to get my finances in order so I can get my license. At the moment, yes, but I just started though. I only been working for about, I want to say 6-7 days, about a week now.
All right, I want to see you in a month. I want you to continue to work. Come back next month. I don't want you to miss work, but I want you to zoom in, and I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you for 3 of these. I won't find you for the rest.
All right.
That's $720. I waive the warrant fees. I'll dismiss those allowings or improper plates. On payment. I'm gonna mark the file allowed payment plan as well. Come back on August the 25th, either pay it off or come down to the court and get into a payment plan, or show me some kind of effort that you're making to start paying this stuff, all right?
Okay, and for understanding, are you saying that I to have 720 paid off by August 25th?
No, I would like, that would be a perfect world, but I would like for you to either get into a payment plan or start paying on some of it.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Law, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Congratulations on the job. I hope you keep it up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, City of Detroit, this is Ms. Medina. Are you ready? All right, let's call Natavia Laws, Mr. Barry. This is the City of Detroit versus Natavia Laws, case number SP 1509872 U69714324 SP 1705117 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Laws.
Natavia Laws.
Turn your camera on, ma'am. All right, Ms. Laws, you keep missing court. You keep missing court.
Are you doing court?
Yes.
I have told you last time, this one case goes back to almost 2 years ago.
Does she appear on the docket, Your Honor?
No, because she missed. You're supposed to be here on the 10th. Mr. Berry, this is operating.
I was late, and then she said she was
Ms. Laws, I didn't ask you to speak. I heard what you said, but no, nevertheless, you missed. Is operating illegal, Mr. Berry. Equipment, 2 civil infractions of 16 to 20 over, and an improper equipment. And then a driving while license suspended. Those are the 4 things we're discussing. You already owe $240 for open alcohol to motor vehicle passenger, no plates 204, blocking traffic 210, and insufficient lights 144. Get her in the breakout room, get her an updated offer. Let me know if you don't like the offer, we'll give you an absolute right to a trial, okay?
I have 3 charges, Your Honor. Operating an illegal enterprise, improper equipment, and 16 to 20 over.
And a driving while license suspended.
Thank you.
I got my license.
Run her license, please. Join the room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Are you ready, Ms. Medina?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Abdon Gomez Fortuno, case number SP 129-58841, SP 1549970, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1593486, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1698604, counts 1, 2, 3. SP 1696051, SP 1699295, counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Gomez Oturno.
Señora abogada Medina, representando al señor Gómez Orduño.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
Alexa Schneider para la Fiscalía, número abogado 80322.
Is the time set for a trial in the matter?
Estamos aquí para un juicio en este asunto.
Your Honor, we had, just to explain before we get too far in, Officers Aramonte, Jamil, and Longuski all appeared. Officer Fitzgerald Harris did not appear.
Para explicarle, los oficiales Ivana, Jamal y Longuso aparecieron. El oficial Harris no apareció.
All right. What's the offer gonna be?
Your
¿Cuál es la
Honor,
oferta?
Your Honor, we are looking to split up some of the cases today on Officer Longuski's tickets. We need a necessary civilian witness or witnesses from the casino, so I would ask for a one-time adjournment. If you're disinclined to adjourn that matter, I would ask for a dismissal without prejudice. I believe they are willing to plea.
Sí, para el caso con el oficial Languski, queremos dividir los casos porque nos falta un testigo civil o alguien del casino. Okay.
And the offer for Officer Jamil and Sergeant Aramonte's tickets is to plead a one count of fail to display. Dismiss the balance.
Y la oferta para el oficial Escamil y el otro es no haber tenido la licencia a mano y desestimar los otros cargos.
And Your Honor, my client is prepared to plead guilty to fail to display a license. And we would ask with regard to the other matter that it be dismissed without prejudice. At this time, the people would be able to refile if they were in the position to do so, Your Honor.
Y su señoría, estamos preparados para declararnos culpable de no haber tenido la licencia a mano. Y para el otro caso, le pedimos que se desestime el cargo sin prejuicio y si la fiscalía quiere proceder, lo puede empezar de nuevo.
Mr. Gomez Ortuno, can you state your name for the record? Good morning to you.
Señor Gómez Antonio, ¿puede decir su nombre para el acta?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mi nombre es Abdón Gómez Ortuno.
Abdón Gómez Ortuno.
All right. We have the motion to dismiss on Officer Lewandowski's cases without prejudice.
Okay. Acepto la moción de desestimar el cargo con el oficial Languski sin prejuicio para desestimarlo.
I grant the motion to dismiss for Officer Fitzgerald Harris cases for no officer.
Y también la moción para el caso del oficial Fitzgerald Harris, porque el oficial de policía no está. Voy a desestimar el cargo.
Sorry to interrupt, Your Honor. I was just told that Officer Fitzgerald Harris is on furlough. I would just ask if you could make the dismissal per the plea to the FTD on his two matters.
Una cosa que el señor Fitzgerald Harris está temporalmente no trabajando, por lo tanto le pido que haga la desestimación por el acuerdo de declararse culpable nomás.
You know, it had to be some reason why he wasn't here. He's usually here.
Yes, he is really good about it.
Debe haber una razón por la cual él no está aquí, porque él normalmente aparece. Sí, normalmente él es muy bueno de aparecer.
You want to take the deals, Mr. Gomez?
¿Usted está dispuesto a aceptar la oferta, señor Gómez?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
¿Qué? ¿Puede bajar su mano?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo para esta ofensa es hasta 93 días en la cárcel y una multa hasta $500?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene un derecho absoluto de hacer proceder este asunto a un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Medina, at some point during the pendency of this case, advised you of your other advice or rights, did she not?
La señora Medina, durante el proceso de este caso, le advirtió de sus derechos, ¿cierto?
Cierto.
That's correct.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió estos derechos?
Sí, los entiendo.
Yeah, I understand.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Usted entiende que al declararse culpable, y aceptar el acuerdo, va a renunciar a estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo más de lo que se habló ahora en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 28th, 2025, around 7:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Dragoon and Regular. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Vamos a volver al 28 de febrero de 2025, a las 7:37 de la tarde, en la calle Dragoon y Regular. ¿Usted tuvo contacto con un policía en aquel entonces?
No recuerdo, la verdad.
I don't remember.
Your Honor, I can speak to my client with regards to the factual basis. So, yeah, I guess
Señoría,
I can
yo
speak
puedo
with him.
hablar por mi cliente sobre establecer la base de hechos. Voy a hablar con él.
All right, join the room, please.
Okay, vaya un cuarto, por favor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I'd like to request a court-appointed attorney on his behalf, but Mr. Green is also a possible candidate for street court.
You want to speak to someone, Mr. Green?
Unmute your device, sir.
Yes, please.
All right, let me get someone in here. Hold on.
And I put his contact information in the chat box.
Are you laying down, sir?
No.
My apologies.
Why did you say no? I'm gonna get someone in here. I'm gonna pass the matter, all right?
We're excited and both nervous. I have Jedra wants to know on her age, so I'm excited.
All right. Are we ready, Miss Medina?
Yes, Your Honor, I think we are ready. He was just confused for a second. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez. Mr. Gomez, do you recall getting pulled over that day, that time? Operating a motor vehicle?
Vamos a volver al acta. Señor Gómez, ¿se acuerda ahora que le paró la policía aquel día?
Sí, recuerdo. Sí.
Yeah, I remember.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Usted pudo producir una licencia válida para el oficial?
No.
Your Honor, if I could clarify, you asked if the officer had him produce a valid license, but the interpreter asked him if he was able to produce a valid license, so that's why he responded no. Sorry, Your Honor.
All right. Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
El oficial de policía le pidió que le diera una licencia válida.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
You couldn't produce that valid license, could you?
Y usted no podía darle la licencia válida, ¿o?
Correcto, sí, no.
Correct, no.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué eso?
Porque no la traía en el momento. No.
Because I didn't have it on me.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display with the stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
Bueno, lo voy a encontrar su cliente culpable de cargo enmendado de no haber tenido una licencia a mano si estipulando los otros tickets, lo puedo desestimar.
And just to clarify, Your Honor, for the record, I don't believe that currently my client has a valid Michigan license. Is that correct, sir?
Y para clarificar, señoría, creo que mi cliente actualmente no tiene una licencia válida. ¿Es correcto, señor?
Correcto.
That's correct.
All right, $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay it, sir?
Bueno, $240 es la multa. Lo voy a desestimar los cargos de la orden para su arresto. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Ahora mismo.
I can pay it now.
All right, he owes a lot of other civil infractions as well, Ms. Medina. Pay it by tomorrow, 25 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
Puede
great
pagar
day.
hasta mañana. Tiene otras infracciones civiles también. Lo puede pagar por un kiosco DivDat. Puede bajar la aplicación o puede pagar en persona en el tribunal. Si no hay más nada, ya terminamos por hoy.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day. All right. Thank you, Mr. Bond.
I still have one more, right, to leave, right?
I thought we did. Thank you. Welcome, Ms. Medina. All right. I thought we had one more. They left. I don't know what happened to them. Hold on. Let's see who this is. Who's on the telephone at 313-854-2838? Hello?
Hello?
313-854-2838.
Yeah, my name is Jose.
Eso es el señor López Castillo. Yeah, it's Mr. Lopez Castillo.
All right, give me 1 second. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Laws. She does have a valid license, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Ms. Laws requires a trial date and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Laws, I'm going to set one more pre-trial date so that I can make sure that appointed counsel gets to you and calls you. You have to answer.
I just got one little concern. Last time when I came to court, the only thing that I was supposed to show up to court for was a speeding ticket and what was that? Y'all was saying something about having open alcohol in the front seat. Those the only things that I remember that I was supposed to be coming to court for. Now it's like additional charges and stuff being added on that wasn't even a part of like what I was coming to court for on the 10th.
On the 10th, you were scheduled to come for all of this stuff on the 10th. Everything that I stated in the record. The other stuff, the open alcohol and passenger, that was stuff that you had entered into a plea before. The 10th of yes.
Because when I came to court last time, I think like a charge that he brought, a charge that he brought.
Please. The 10th you had the driver's license suspended, which you have a valid license now. You had the review for open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger that you never paid. You had a formal hearing for the speeding ticket and a formal hearing for the improper equipment. And you had a trial for the operating illegal. So that was all on the 10th.
Okay.
All right, you still owe the 240. I need a good phone number from you, please.
You need it right now?
Yes.
810-830-9938.
All right, I'm not gonna file need appointed attorney. It's 2 more times you're gonna have to come back, potentially, at least 1 more time.
But you
go ahead.
I'm trying to remember what was my lawyer. The lawyer.
You're gonna get a new one now because once you miss the court date, then that lawyer is no longer representing you.
Oh.
You may get they may apply the same one as last time, I don't know. But now they're gonna put a new one. And now you need to answer the calls. You know the routine. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the 15th of August, that's your next court date. I'm gonna get one appointed on the spot on that date. Ms. Laws, you're gonna have to stop missing these court dates and stop being late.
Okay, you said August 15th?
Yes, at 8:30.
Okay.
All right, be safe. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Is that Mr. Hiram?
Yes, it is.
You were free to leave, sir, weren't you?
I think I was, but I wanted to make sure, Your Honor, because no one had spoken to me. But I wanted to make sure also the date is the 15th of August, and the time will be 8:30.
Yes.
Well, she never came back. She never came back after we spoke the last time. And 8:30, right?
Who spoke with Mr. Hiram?
Miss Bradfield.
Yeah, I don't think she needed to come back. You were free to leave after we got finished and you got the 8:30 date. You wanted an appointed attorney answer the call.
Yeah.
Those calls should be
Okay. So I'm going to get paperwork sent to me, correct? I was going to call me. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I don't want to get in no trouble, man. Okay. Thank you, y'all.
Just make sure you come back on the 15th of August.
That's what I'm saying. I come there or I'm coming Zoom.
Just Zoom again.
Okay. I'm have to get the Zoom right. Okay. That's what I wanted to make sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Yana. Have a good day.
Good one. All right. Who's got
Bye-bye.
the next person? What was that person's name on the phone? That he's a Spanish interpreter?
Mr. Lopez Castillo.
No, es José Rodrigo Gutiérrez.
Oh, Oh, it's a different person. It's not the one that I had. Jesus
Jose
Jose
Rodrigo Gutierrez.
Jose Rodrigo Gutierrez.
Okay, very good. Nice. Hold on one second.
Un momento.
All right. All right. City of Detroit versus Jose Gutierrez Castro, case number SP 171-80531. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay. Caso de gente de Detroit contra Jose Rodrigo Gutierrez Castro.
Hold on, Mr. Babo. Hold on, Mr. Babo. Go ahead, Ms.
Your Honor, I was off for a quick second while you were away. Can we go, call that again?
This is the City of Detroit versus Jose Gutierrez Castro, case number SP 171-80531. Appearance for the record, please.
Voy a llamar el caso de José Gutiérrez Castro, número de caso SP 17180531. Comparecencia para el acta, por favor.
Ajá.
Anybody want to put their appearance on the record for Mr. Castro?
¿Quiere hacer su comparecencia para el señor Castro?
Okay.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Castro.
Sherika Harris, representando al señor Castro.
Okay.
Castro, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Señor Castro, buenos días a usted. Diga su nombre para el acto, por favor.
José Rodrigo Gutiérrez Castro.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
Hoy es la cita para una reunión para demostrar causa.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para la lectura de los cargos formales, mi cliente no quiere decir nada.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, put Mr. Castro, I'll put Mr. Castro on the break. I won't get him an updated offer.
Okay.
Like the offer.
Puede entrar la declaración de no culpable por ahora para su cliente con $0 de fianza. Le voy a poner en un cuarto privado para que pueda hablar con su cliente.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Fast
Vaya a
enough.
la
He's in
sala.
there. What's gonna happen with Miss Lawson, Miss Barry? Ms. Harris?
She's requesting a trial date.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Lawson. Miss Lawson, you want a trial date, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August the 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. So,
Look. Go ahead, Ms. Harris. It's only a life and no insurance, Mr. Man. All right, Mr. Soroki, you're back.
Mr. Gatis just called me. He's supposed to zoom in right now. He said his phone wasn't working. That's why he didn't zoom in this morning.
Well, you missed it, Mr. Gaddis.
I know. That was bad. My phone was having problems.
Put me in a breakout room with him and I'll talk to him about a plea and see if
Come back on August 18th.
Okay.
Come back on August 18th.
Okay, Mr. Gaddis, you have that date, August 18th at 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
If your phone is messing up, then you come down to court in person. All right, be safe.
Okay, I can come in person if you need your.
No, and I'm not talking about you, Mr. Soroki. I said if his phone's messed up, he gives us that phone mess up thing, that excuse. He could have come down.
I get a hold of the phone. I have a new phone.
He could have come down here in person. There was no reason to miss. All right, August 18th, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Did you get that transcript, Ms. Harris? Were you able to do that?
You're talking to me, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, Ms. Williams. I'm sorry.
No, Your Honor, we have to go off the record for me to do that. But I can. We just haven't gotten a chance to go off the record for that amount of time.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. I'm so sick and tired of these people coming in here lying to me. I'm sick and tired of it. He's on tour or he's on something for in 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 Toronto, but he can't pay $240. He's got to get his grandmother to pay it. When are you coming back?
To Detroit, I'll be back in Michigan. I'll be back in Detroit August 11th or 12th. It was one of those 2 days.
Come back August, you're coming in person August 11th, August 12th. See if your grandmother will pay your fines for you. $240, come in person. You have the money. If it's not paid, have the money in hand on August the 12th. Come on down to the courthouse. Now, you understand that?
I'm clear.
All right, you were clear yesterday. But you think this is some kind, you think this is some kind of game I'm playing with you. I'm not.
No. My understanding yesterday, I thought you
I don't
told me
need to
to
hear
come
your
back to the
understanding.
Zoom.
I don't need to hear your understanding because my understanding is the only understanding that matters. All right. Have a good day. Have a safe trip and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Orlando Green's file was downstairs. We don't have to have it. We don't.
Oh, you mean it's in 336?
We're waiting on.
Okay.
We're waiting on. So.
Oh, you know, but we're gonna.
What?
Because we said it's at plea. That's wrong. That's the way I'm looking at it. You have to look at it.
All right, go ahead. Do what you have to do.
But no, we can.
Yeah, but it's not, it's just gonna give me money back. Right?
I'm saying. Well, money, according to this meeting, it's just that it will be dismissed and make sure not to come like no. Because we set aside the plea like in 2022, and it's like. It's set for trial, all that. So you don't come to court. I'm just gonna close it out. That's what. Close it out.
Whatever. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green.
Unmute your device, sir.
Yes,
I have Mr. Patel here. He doesn't have anybody available. Let me ask him, can you come back tomorrow morning?
who, me?
Yes.
I should be able to come back tomorrow. I don't have to. I'm not on schedule. Or as of now, I'm not on the schedule.
Even if you're on the schedule, I just want you to come on back so you can have him to talk. It shouldn't take that long.
Okay. What time?
Let me find out. All right, tell me at 8:30. I'm gonna see exactly what time he can be here, so we can get you the assistance you need. Put it right there. I don't know what's going to be there. I don't know what's supposed to be there. I'll sign it.
Okay. That's what I'm saying.
So what do you want me to put?
Because.
Put a D?
Yes.
One that wants to come in at 12 o'clock. Mr. Gardner?
Yes.
Come back in the morning, you're late, super late.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right, thanks.
Are we ready on Gutierrez?
Ready.
Yeah.
Back on the record, Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor Gutiérrez, sería una oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, como que quiera hacer su cliente.
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance.
Señoría, mi cliente podría producir un certificado de seguro válido.
And I did forward a copy to the city attorney and to the court.
Y yo le mandé una copia al abogado de la ciudad y al tribunal.
I did receive an email from you. Case dismissed. Mr. Gutierrez, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay. El caso esté desestimado, señor Gutiérrez, que tenga un buen día.
Ok, gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you very much. Very, very nice.
Best of luck to you.
Mucha suerte, señor.
Gracias. Igualmente.
Thank you. You too.
Right. Give me 1 second, Mr. Green. That will, you're free to leave, Mr. Gutierrez.
Ya puede desconectarse, señor Gutiérrez.